Hey, Micah here from Brothers Learning. Today I'm going to teach you some of the things you can do with Lego gears. Help us keep this channel going by liking this video and subscribing to our channel below. Now let's get this show into gear. First, I'll start with a simple pulley system I created to demonstrate the gears. These two types of pieces are both very useful for creating pulley systems. A pulley system is useful for transferring power across a large distance. The Lego pulley and gear pieces are usually connected with an axle piece. An axle is a central support that connects the gear and still allows it to rotate freely. There are many styles and lengths of axles available. In this setup, I've used a regular rubber band from around the house to connect two of the same size pulleys. I'll explain more about using different sizes a little later. Once the two pulley wheels are connected, the second wheel will spin at the exact same speed and direction as the first wheel. With a longer rubber band, I could get even further away. On top of the first wheel, I've created a simple crank that I can spin manually. If you don't have this piece, you could also use the larger pulley wheel, or any piece really that has the plus type connection point at the end. Now, on to the gears. Lego gears are usually measured by how many teeth they have. These little ridges around the edges are called teeth. The teeth are what allows one gear to move another gear. If you counted the teeth on this large gear, you would see it has 36, and this small gear has 12 teeth. If you connect two gears with the same number of teeth, the speed of motion does not change. The ratio of the gears is 1:1. See them spinning? They are both spinning at the same speed. If we replace the second gear with a smaller gear, we create a ratio of 36:12. 36 over 12 is 3, so that means the smaller gear will be spinning 3 times as fast as the large gear. Look how fast that small gear spins. This is really useful when you need something to spin really fast. Switch the places of the gears and you can create a 12:36 ratio. 12 over 36 is 1/3, which means the large gear will be spinning a third of the speed of the small gear. See how slow it's spinning? This can be useful when you have a fixed speed motor and you need something to spin much slower. Another useful thing to do with gears is change the angle of the rotation. Sometimes you can't spin a crank or attach the motor exactly where you want the rotation to happen. To change the direction of the rotation, you can use gears with teeth that work perpendicular. Perpendicular means at a right angle like this. Here are some types of gears that work great for this. Here I've set up a wall with a gear to demonstrate changing the angle of rotation. I chose to use a 1:1 ratio so that the speed was not changed. See now that I've created a hand-powered fan. You'll notice that in all of these two gear setups, the direction of the rotation is reversed. Sometimes we want to keep the direction of motion the same. To accomplish this, we can simply add a third gear, or just switch the direction, and once again back to the original direction. If we use a gear of the same size, we can change direction back without even changing the speed. If you don't have a lot of these pieces, I've left a few links in the description below to some affordable kits that can help get you started. Goodbye for now. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next videos. See you soon.